Alright, today we're working on the iPhone 6 Plus. Yeah, 6 Plus. They came in for no charge. We determined that the problem was the tristar chip, and then today we're going to go ahead and replace that chip. Alright, so let's begin by moving the shields. It's been some time since we did an iPhone 6 or 6S Plus tristar. We're still good here, man. A lot of people need information on the phone, and you could definitely get the information without changing TriStar, but we do prefer getting the phone working again also at the same time. So let's remove this shield.
I don't know the
Alright, we're gonna go extreme heat, extreme air. Take that shield off quickly. Alright, there we go. Pause this video, get the phone call. Alright, we're back. Okay, so for this phone call, I was in the process of removing the shields. So let's go ahead and do that. Just go through this, keep losing the ones I like. Alright. Here. Alright, there we go. Really easy and quick. And here's my TriStar. Clean that up. While the board is hot, this stuff will come out pretty easy. There we go. Enough. Clean it up after the chip is off. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get myself a chip. Get ready. Right back. Alright, let's make sure we got the right one here. TriStar, iPhone 6, 6 Plus. That should do it. Alright, so let's change the air and the temperature. Air, we're going to go down to 40. And, temperature, we're going to go down to 350. Celsius. 360, that's fine.
Yes, you have a computer, search your number. Search your number.
Nothing in between?
Huh?
I know it's a little glare. No, that one worked. That's too much. I know there's a way to make that glare. I don't know.
Tiago is Tiago.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Move it on a little bit, see if it's getting loose. It's almost there. I see the solder around it is getting a little bit lighter in color. This means it's melting. Again, you don't want to pull too much. You don't want to damage the pads. And have to run some jumpers to avoid doing all that. Pull it up. Just go loose. There we go. Alright, perfect. Excellent. Zoom in here and focus, and then we're going to clean up around there.
Yeah?
Yeah, I sent it to him. So, he has a couple of documents that he wants. A lot of
Okay, so we're going to do it. We're going to add some low melt solder.
Want the waters?
So it's going to be easy for us to remove with the wick.
Okay, so
There
put a couple.
Just
I have to save everything.
yeah, so now it's time to wick it. Perfect.
Which one you want to do it with together? Si se ve cuál es el que tú se ve con el enferme. Si me hace calentar.
It looks like I got a capacitor. Not important. Capacitor, it's not needed. Alright, so it's time to install the chip. Pads are clean. A little bit of flux, not too much, just a little bit. And then drop the sugar. Okay, so the indentation, I know that it goes along the tigress, just like that. Okay, the tigress, this chip right here, you see where the indentation mark is, and then you just gotta match it up with the tristar. It's the same way. Okay, if you guys don't know where the chip should go, you can access the CSW or schematics,
Não há
and
maneira
that
nenhuma de fazer o tratamento.
will show you where it should go.
Já isto é cópia de passaporte. Cópia de passaporte vai ficar
Hold this down a little bit. Close, at least.
Isto é cópia, não podes tirar cópia
Lift it up a little bit. It's on, pretty good. Now we're going to have it in its place on its own. Chip should start moving by itself. Alright, there we go. It's moving now. Should find its place. You're just gonna nudge it a little bit, make sure it's on. Excellent. Alright, that should do it. We'll let it cool down a little bit. And then we'll install it on the phone and test it. So I have a little fan here. We're just gonna keep that fan on.
Tem algum outro lugar que foi afetado?
O único lugar que faz outra cor é aqui no postão. You can do it. If you put it, no, it doesn't matter. If you put it big, you're going to lose the resolution.
It does look good, so I don't think. Well, I hope now I have to do it again. Shoot back on. Should do it. Looks good. That's perfect. Perfect. Alright, now we have the frame. Alright, just put it in the frame. Just connect the charging port. Actually, yeah, I'll do it. Just do a quick test.
Can we do that? Put an iPad. Put an iPad on the open. That's all we did. Yeah, if I put up the screen, if I put iPad on the screen, would you mess up, right? If I put it on the wall.
Let's just test it and see if it charges. Got my battery pack. Alright, so it looks like we are getting a charge here. Start at 16 and 7. Okay, here we go. We got 0.93 amps. This is a healthy charge. Before we were getting 0.93. And replacing that tristar fixed the charging problem. So let's go ahead and put it back together, and then we'll do a test again. Excellent. Alright, I'm going to pause this video and we'll get back to the final test. Alright, we are back on. Okay, we put the phone back together. Alright, we did charge the phone. The phone's powering up. It charges. And the work that we have done is successful.
I got lost.
Alright,
Find you.
actually we are finishing up the,
What'd you say?
that's it, it's all done. It's charging.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and this will conclude this video. Now if you like these type of repairs and you want to see some more, you can subscribe to my channel and press like if you like the videos, and hopefully we can do some more soon. And if you want to leave some comments, you're welcome. And until next time,